Alright, I got a tool haul here. This is yard sale, garage sale, moving sale, whatever you want to call it. They were moving and selling a bunch of stuff at a garage sale. And they had a lot of tools, and that was good for me. So I went to see what I could get for a good deal. And basically everything that you're going to see in this video was $46, which, you know, is getting up there, but a lot of these are functional tools that are going to be added to the shop. And so let's see what I got. Oh! So first off, I thought was pretty cool was a Starrett branded measuring tape. It's in really good shape, no complaints. Feels kind of tough. I mean, it is a plastic case, but very nice tape. Got like a machinist's copper mallet. Well used, well loved. Could use a cleanup. I don't know what this does. I mean, it's a cutter, but it's for cutting something you would pass through from the side, because you couldn't cut along something. And it is Elmo Manufacturing Company, Model E, made in USA. So I'm sure I can figure it out, but I haven't looked it up yet or anything. Ooh, wait a second. There's a patent number. So I'll show you the patent. Some interesting large scraper type tools. Dexter, USA. And an even larger one, Lamson Sharp Pro, stainless USA. 3 rivets. Look at the length of this thing. And it's almost as big as the toolbox. Ooh, I know. Using the new Starrett tape measure, it is 15.5 inches long. So, huge scraper. Anybody have any suggestions of what this would be for? Maybe scraping wallpaper? I got a deburring tool. I've always wanted one of these. And check it out. Israel. First tool from Israel. Pretty cool. I think this is for separating bicycle chain links. Like this pin, as you screw this, would drive the pin out of like a bicycle chain or something. If anybody says thinks otherwise, let me know. A Black & Decker drill bit extension. Oh, that's a handy thing to have. Black & Decker, made in USA, do not use in drill press. Probably good advice. So, lots of drill bits. Those drill bits that were in the top were mostly H&S drill bits. They're made in USA, and they're like machinist's quality, and there's at least a few of them that are still brand new, still have the coating on the tips to protect them. I got some taps and countersinks and pin punches. Nice. I've been needing some good pin punches. A nice Stanley hacksaw blade. Hardware. Nice Craftsman nut driver. Set of snap ring pliers. A little rusty. Armstrong, USA. Taiwan. Black Hawk hand tools, USA. What do we have here? Brake adjusting tool. Indestro. Cool. Oh, That's a big one. Very big drill bit. And we got some random sockets and extensions. And then also, I had said before, and some extensions. And this extension was kind of tucked up behind the lip here, where you couldn't see it very easily. So upon closer inspection of this long extension, it is a Wright tool made in Barberton, Ohio, which is not far from here. Model MN13. They make very high-end, expensive professional tools today. I wonder how old this is. And it's got these weird notches here, holes. Is this, can you stick a bar through there or something maybe? Let me try to poke it with something. Is it just packed with grease? Yep. So I imagine that's for putting a bar through so you can kind of use it like a breaker bar. I'm not sure. If anybody knows for sure why there's holes through there, let me know. And a rusty, frozen up little needle nose plier. Alright, what's in the drawers? Craftsman wrenches and bolts and socket extension. Alright, just a random smattering of stuff. More sockets. Craftsman. A little bit of rust. I think a little evaporust will clean up most of these reasonably well. It's probably not too deep. Maybe a little deeper on some. But lots of Craftsman sockets. Let's see, even are these little ones Craftsman? Yep. So basically a Craftsman toolbox full of Craftsman tools for the most part. More sockets, some more deep wells. This does not look like Craftsman. Quarter-inch Craftsman ratchet. It's got an oiler on top. V-series. What is that? 27 millimeter. Oh, I'm not sure I got one that size in millimeter. Pretty good size. Ooh, nut drivers and more sockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's a whole set of metric and standard. Got a couple big Torx tools and some random springs. And a big can of heavy duty clear penetrating grease. So that could be useful. So what do you guys think? Did I get hosed, or was that totally worth it? I think it was totally worth it. I don't know that this box is going to be fix-upable. The rust is pretty bad in some places, but it's still intact and still moves. Maybe with a good cleanup and hosing it down with some of this grease. And maybe it will be a good box. I mean, it does have the lock damage here, but it still seems to operate properly. I'll close the lid. The drawers don't open, so I think it was worth it.